Navigating life's choices. Understanding, avoid risk. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's crucial not just in language, but in life. Avoid risk. Understanding this phrase can help you make smarter decisions and communicate more effectively in English. So, let's dive in and unpack what it means to avoid risk. The phrase, avoid risk, is made up of two key words, avoid and risk. To avoid means to keep away from or stop oneself from doing something. A risk, on the other hand, refers to a situation involving exposure to danger, harm, or loss. So, when combined, avoid risk suggests a strategy or action taken to steer clear of potential danger or loss. For instance, if someone says, "I'm going to avoid risk by saving money instead of investing," they mean they are choosing a safer route to protect their finances. There are several reasons why someone might choose to avoid risk. 1. Preservation of resources. To safeguard their money, health, or well-being. 2. Fear of loss. Concern over potential negative outcomes. 3. Uncertainty. When the outcome is unpredictable, people might opt for the safer choice. 4. Lack of knowledge. Without enough information, riskier decisions are often avoided. Understanding these reasons can help English learners grasp the nuances of decision-making discussions in various contexts. Let's put avoid risk into some sentences to see how it works in context. Many investors avoid risk during economic downturns by keeping their money in savings accounts. To avoid risk of injury, always wear your helmet when riding a bicycle. She decided to avoid risk by studying well in advance for her exams, rather than cramming at the last minute. Notice how the phrase can apply to finance, safety, and education? It's a versatile term that can be used in many areas of life. While avoid risk is a common phrase, it's also important to know that taking risks can sometimes lead to growth and opportunity. In certain contexts, you might hear, "You can't avoid risk if you want to start a new business, it's part of the process." Sometimes, we need to take risks to learn new things and advance in life. Discussing both sides of risk can provide a more balanced understanding of this concept. Thank you for joining me in today's exploration of avoid risk. Whether you're making decisions in your personal life or trying to express a complex idea in English, remembering the implications of this phrase can be incredibly useful. I hope this video helps you feel more confident in using and understanding avoid risk in all your English communications. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.